Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about my biome, tropical deciduous forest. This biome is mainly located near or on the equator. Leaves in the deciduous forest fall in the dry season and grow in the rainy season. This helps the trees conserve water. Deciduous forests are the home to woody vines, bamboo trees, and many flowering species such as orchids. Tropical deciduous forests, like tropical rainforests, hold an abundance of biodiversity of plant and animal species. The climate ranges from 68 to 71 degrees Fahrenheit, with rainfall over 80 inches per year. Tropical canopies are dense and they have many layers that cover the forest floor. You can find tropical deciduous rainforest in northern Mexico, Madagascar, central India, and New Caledonia. And we will look closer into these regions on the next slide. We will talk about northern Mexico. Animals that are found here are the ring-tailed cat, the collared peccary, and an endangered species of bird called the eared quetzal. The eared quetzal is rapidly disappearing in this area. A cool adaptation that the ring-tailed cat possesses is the ability to rotate its hind feet 180 degrees. This makes it easier to ascend and descend up very tall trees. A dominant tree species that can be found in this area is the alligator bark juniper. Another tree species that can be found in this region is called the hand basin oak. As we move out of Mexico, we're going to head to Madagascar. A common bird predator in this area is called the sea eagle or the Madagascan fish eagle. On land, there's a very stealthy fossa that roams the forest floor as one of the top cats. Common tree species that can be found in this region are grenadiers, baobab, and the bontega. In India, it is known to see a few sloth bears or two, and also something called a chowsing, also known as an awesome four-antlered antelope. These animals are being affected by the mass amounts of deforestation and having to move to different habitats. The kino, and a very pretty shallow tree, and one of the most dominant species in this region is called the southern reach species. These species can only grow and survive in the southern hemisphere because they have already adapted to the certain climate and the amounts of precipitation in this area. The last stop is New Caledonia. There's an endangered species called the New Caledonia flying fox, and of course, it's going extinct mainly because of the loss of habitat. A very common reptile we all should know is the New Caledonian giant gecko, and they're very, very cool. Tree species that can be found in this area is called the thatched screw pine and the queen sago. The major issue with this biome is deforestation. It has been shown the effects of deforestation on seed banks are being destroyed and germination can't take place, which means seed dispersal cannot take place also, so no trees are growing. A study was shown that the logging of the forest are being used to build homes for people living in India, and these people in India are using also other wood items in their homes. There are laws now protecting these forests because there has been such a decrease of vegetation in their records. It is so very important to protect these beautiful regions and the animals that call it home. Thank you guys.